Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to delete a video from your channel on PC. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to remove a YouTube video permanently from your channel. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Once you're logged into your YouTube account, navigate to YouTube Studio by clicking on your profile picture and selecting YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Click on Content. In YouTube Studio, locate and click on the Content tab. This will display all the videos on your channel. Step 3. Select a video. Find the video you want to delete from your channel and click on it to open the video details page. Step 4. Click More. On the video details page, you'll see a row of options below the video. Click on More to reveal additional actions. Step 5. Select Delete Forever. From the expanded options, choose Delete Forever to permanently remove the video from your channel. Confirm the deletion when prompted. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a YouTube video from your channel on PC. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so make sure you are certain before deleting any videos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.